This exercise will show you how to construct t-confidence intervals with the calculator. I will be on page 350 and 351 in the book. I will be doing problem number 92, which does the t-confidence intervals without a list, and I will be doing problem number 100, which is the t-confidence intervals with a list, which I'm going to have to type in. So let's looking at 92, okay, on page 350. Okay, to construct the t-interval, what you do is you hit your stat button, arrow over to test, arrow down to number 8, which is t-interval, hit enter. The first problem, we don't have a list, so we arrow over to stats, hit enter. I'm going to have to arrow down, put my information in. And number 92, x bar, is 55. Now note, this is a confidence interval when you do not know the population standard deviation. So we have to use the sample standard deviation. In number 92, okay, the sample standard deviation S is 5. Sample size in that problem is 16. And the confidence level we want is 99%, so that's 0.99. Select calculate. It takes a little bit longer because I think of the standard. I think there's more complication in the formula. Okay. The interval of interest for this particular problem is 51.317 to 58.683. The second exercise, number 100, we have to type in the list and do the same thing. So the first thing I need to do is type in the list. Hit my stat button, make sure my edit button is highlighted, clear out my old list. Done this many times. Number 100 is actually on the second page. It's on 351. Okay, I'm going to type that information in the list. Again, taking my time, making sure I'm right or I'm accurate. Better to do it now than later. Once I'm done typing everything in, I hit the stat button again, arrow over to test, arrow down to number 8. Okay, arrow over to data. Now it's going to use list 1. Notice we don't have to put anything in because it's going to calculate the sample standard deviation and X bar for us. The only thing we need to put in is the confidence level. So number 100, they're looking for a 95%, it looks like. So arrow down, put 0.95, hit calculate. Again, it's going to think some more for us. Eventually it gives us our interval. It gives us our S bar, and S of X is your sample standard deviation sample size. The interval goes from 55.492 to 127.22. This concludes my tutorial on finding t-confidence intervals with the calculator.